You can expect a lot from the 2017 Jeep Renegade. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and more. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.